single fruit weighs more than a newborn baby. It's covered in spikes, oozes sticky latex that can trap your hands in seconds, and yet, it's about to become one of the fastest-growing superfood snacks on Earth. Today, we're going inside Thailand's jackfruit empire, where a single farm processes over 10,000 fruits a day. Machines slice faster than the human eye can follow, and one bag of dried jackfruit chips sells for more than the fruit itself ever did. This is the strange, sticky million-dollar world of jackfruit. Welcome back to the channel. Thailand isn't just famous for mangoes and durian. It's quietly become one of the world's top jackfruit exporters, feeding a snack industry worth hundreds of millions of dollars. And it all starts here, in the humid orchards of central Thailand, where jackfruit trees can produce fruit for over 60 years without replanting. But growing the fruit is the easy part. What happens next, the harvesting, the cutting, the processing, the machinery, is where things get genuinely fascinating. Whether you're into farming, engineering, satisfying food content, or you're eyeing this as the next big agribusiness investment, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how a spiky 40-kilo fruit becomes a crispy, shelf-stable snack sold worldwide. Jackfruit doesn't ripen all at once, and it doesn't fall gently. A ripe jackfruit can weigh up to 50 kilograms, so dropping one from a 10-meter tree isn't an option. Farmers rely on a simple but ingenious tool, a long bamboo harvesting pole fitted with a curved steel blade and a rope and pulley mechanism. One tug slices the stem cleanly, while a second worker guides the fruit down with a net or cushioned catch. Because a jackfruit hitting concrete is basically a 50 kg water balloon of sticky latex. Here's a detail most people don't know. The moment you cut a jackfruit, it releases a thick white latex sap. This sap is so sticky that experienced farmers coat their knives and hands in cooking oil before they even touch the fruit. Otherwise, tools and skin get glued together within minutes. Once harvested, fruits are sorted by ripeness right in the field, tapping the skin and listening for a hollow sound. A trick passed down for generations, tells farmers exactly which fruits are ready for the processing line and which need a few more days on the tree. From the orchard, trucks carrying literal tons of jackfruit roll into processing facilities like this one. And this is where the operation shifts from traditional farming into full industrial-scale food engineering. First stop, the washing tanks. Rotating brush systems scrub the spiky exterior clean of field dust, insects, and residue, while the water also softens the outer skin slightly, making the next step a lot easier on both workers and machines. Now for the part everyone's here for, the cutting. In smaller operations, this is still done by hand, using an oversized, oil-coated cleaver. Skilled workers can split, core, and debulb a jackfruit in under 90 seconds, a skill that takes months to master because one wrong angle wastes usable flesh. But in Thailand's larger export-focused facilities, hydraulic having machines now do the heavy lifting. The fruit is clamped in place, and a hydraulic blade, sharpened and cleaned between every single cut, slices it clean in half in under 3 seconds. This single machine can process what would take 4 workers an hour in about 15 minutes. The bulbs, though, still require human hands. No machine yet matches a trained worker's ability to pluck each golden pod away from the rind and the inedible core without tearing it. This is one of the last truly manual steps left in the entire chain, and it's oddly mesmerizing to watch. For our engineering and machinery fans, keep an eye on the deseeding trommel coming up next, a rotating drum that separates seeds from flesh using nothing but gravity and centrifugal force. No blades involved. Fresh jackfruit spoils fast, so most of what you see here is destined to become the crispy, dried snack that's exploding in popularity worldwide. And that transformation happens inside one of the most interesting machines in this entire facility, the vacuum fryer. Here's why it matters. Normal deep frying uses high heat, which destroys nutrients and gives fruit a burnt, overly oily taste. Vacuum frying instead removes air pressure from a sealed chamber, which lowers the boiling point of the oil. That means the jackfruit can fry at a much lower temperature, around 90 to 100 degrees C instead of 180 degrees C, preserving color, nutrients, and natural sweetness while still achieving that satisfying crunch. After frying, a deoiling centrifuge spins the chips at high speed, flinging off excess oil, the same principle as a washing machine's spin cycle, just built for food-grade production and capable of processing hundreds of kilograms per hour.
From there, Product runs through a metal detector for safety compliance, gets automatically weighed on multi-head weighing scales accurate to the gram, and finally sealed by a nitrogen-flush packaging machine. Nitrogen replacing oxygen inside the bag to keep the chips crispy for up to a year without preservatives. Now, for the investors and business-minded viewers watching, here's why this matters beyond the satisfying visuals. The global jackfruit market has been growing steadily as a plant-based meat alternative and a healthy snack option, driven by rising demand in the US, Europe, and the Middle East for natural, high-fiber, vegan-friendly foods. A single mature jackfruit tree can produce anywhere from 100 to 200 fruits per year, and with processing costs relatively low compared to other fruit processing operations. Factories like this one can turn a fruit that sells for a few dollars at a local market into packaged snack products worth significantly more per kilogram once dried and branded. That's the real story here. This isn't just farming and it isn't just food processing. It's a full vertically integrated agribusiness. Orchard, harvest, factory, and export, all feeding a growing global appetite for better-for-you snacks. From tree to blade to fryer to bag, millions of jackfruits move through this exact process every single season. What starts as a spiky, sticky giant hanging from a tree ends up as one of the most satisfying snacks to watch being made, and just as satisfying to eat. If you enjoyed going behind the scenes of one of the world's most fascinating fruit industries, hit that subscribe button because we're covering more incredible farming operations, food machinery, and business breakdowns just like this one every week. Drop a comment below telling us which fruit or food process you want us to explore next. And if you made it this far, you already know what to do. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.